Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solid Master. Today I will going to tell you the use of shell features in Solidworks. So shell is used to create an empty from inside. So if you want to create, suppose this is the part and you want to create an empty one from inside, then you will use the shell features. So in this video, I am using the shell features and various parameters and thickness used in the shell features. So for giving these features, I am going to create one parts and then these features I will apply in this part. So before creating this, first I will draw one circle in the top plane and the circle diameter is given 4.50 mm. This is in the inch and the height is 7.50. So first we will make sure the dimension will be in the inch. So I will first change the setting, change the unit from mmgs to IPS and then maximize. So click on this top plane and normal to and click on sketch. Now here we will draw one circle and this circle dimension is 4.50 inch and click on OK. And height is extruded height is 7.50 inch. So go to the feature, extrude was, and this should be 7.50 and click on OK. Now we have to draw one line from top plane. From here we have to draw one line and then we will use the feature extrude cut. So line having the length that is 3 inch. So click on this, Ctrl 8. Then here we want the circle again, so we will use the features that is convert entities. So we have converted these entities. Before this we have to click on the sketch. Now we have to click on this convert entities. So our circle has been converted. Now we will draw one line here, vertical line, and this should be verticals. So give the vertical relation OK, and the length will be, that is the height of this line will be 3 inch. And click on OK. Now we will give the extrude cut. Go to feature, click on this extrude cut and the extrude will be this and it should be through all and click on OK. So we have given the extrude cut. Now we will use the shell features for creating an empty from inside. So the thickness is given, that is 0.10 inch. So now click on this shell and here we will use both this setting, that is parameter and multi thickness setting. So first we will use this parameter settings. So our thickness is given 0.10 inch and then we will click on OK. So we have added the shell from inside. So if you click on this section view and click on OK, then you will see that we have applied the shell and shell will be applied inside. So if you want to remove this, because at the top if you see that this should be removed. So we will click again, go to shell features, click on this edit feature and in this face to remove we will click on this top face and then we will click on OK. So now we will turn off. So if you see that this is the thickness that is added, that is 0.10 inch and our shell features has been applied. Now if you want to give the thickness that is 1 inch and 0.50 inch, that is multi thickness if you want to use, then you will use the setting multi thickness setting. So again click on this shell features, edit feature. Here in multi thickness, click on this. Now this time the thickness is, the upper thickness, side thickness is given, that is 1 inch. So enter here 1 and this face should be this side, this is the face. So click on this face and then click on OK. So the thickness is added from side of 1 inch. Now if you want to give the thickness of 0.50 inch from the bottom, then again go to shell features, click on this edit feature, and instead of this click on this multi thickness setting, and now add the bottom face, and the bottom face value is given 0.50 inch. So this should be now 0.50. If you click on this face 2, we have given previously 1 inches thickness, and now the face 3 will be different thickness. So if you want to give the various thickness, multi thickness in the shell, then you will use this setting multi thickness setting. Now click on this OK. So we have given this 3 thickness. By using this 3 thickness, we have used the shell features in our part models. So this is the use of the shell features in SolidWorks. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. And thanks for watching this video.